Picture this, 3 API calls, 1 simple form, and in under an hour, you've got a paid feature people actually use, built in a weekend. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 23. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll get a precise, travel-ready plan to build a micro SaaS that earns recurring revenue while you roam.
All right, I love the cold open. Quick check. When you say paid feature in an hour, listeners should expect a paid MVP, not magic, right?
Exactly. Not magic. A focused, testable feature that solves one narrowly defined problem and can accept payment. The whole idea, keep scope tiny so you can validate with real money fast. This changes everything for Nomads.
Give me a concrete example, please. Something I could actually build without an engineering team.
Imagine a micro SaaS that turns travel receipts into expense-ready summaries. Upload a photo or PDF and you get a categorized CSV with converted amounts and one-line explanations for unusual charges. One problem, clear value. Saves time and headache for remote freelancers and nomads dealing with multiple currencies.
Narrow and useful. My immediate flag is privacy. Receipts contain PII. How should someone handle that on day one?
Good call. Rule 1. Minimize stored PII. Only keep merchant, date, amount, currency, and category. Delete the raw image after processing when possible. Disclose AI limitations in the UI and include a human escalation path for disputed items. That's non-negotiable for a travel product.
Okay, now show the stack. Fast and portable, please.
Here's the exact prompt stock. Front end, Glide or Builder for a mobile-friendly app. Database, Airtable. Automation, Zapier or Make. LLM, OpenAI or compatible provider. Payments, Stripe. Analytics, PostHog or Plausible for privacy-first tracking. Flow in plain steps. User uploads receipt in Glide. Glide writes a record to Airtable. Zapier triggers an OpenAI parse. Parsed fields go back to Airtable. Zapier creates Stripe checkout sessions and sends onboarding emails. Quick to diagram, quick to wire.
Show me the weekend plan. If I start Saturday morning, what are the exact stops?
Saturday morning, pick your niche in 15 minutes. 1 sentence problem, 1 customer persona, and the simplest paid outcome.
Wait, 1 sentence template? Give me it now.
I help digital nomad freelancers who struggle with converting travel receipts into expense-ready CSVs in under 2 minutes. Saturday afternoon, set up Airtable with minimal schema, user email, Stripe customer ID, receipt URL, parsed date, merchant, amount local, currency, amount USD, category, line items, confidence score, human review flag.
Nice. Saturday night you wire the front end?
Exactly. Build a Glide app to accept uploads and display parsed results. Make the UI honest, show AI confidence, and a report issue button for human review. Sunday morning. Wire 2 zaps. Zap 1, new Airtable record triggers OpenAI parsing prompt. Zap 2, when parsed, create Stripe checkout session and send onboarding email. Sunday afternoon, add a human review queue and a visible disclaimer about what the model may miss. Sunday evening, flip the paid plan and invite 10 testers.
Give me the parsing prompt, paste ready, and keep it short.
System. You are a precise financial parser. Extract merchant, date, YYYY-MM-DD, amount with currency, and line items when available. Output JSON only. If a field is missing, return null.
User-parse the receipt at this URL. Return JSON with keys merchant, date, amount local, currency, amount USD, estimate using recent rates, category, line items, array of name, price, confidence score, 0 to 1, notes for human. Instruct the model not to return raw personal identifiers or full raw images.
Curious support flow. If the model messes up or a user disputes something, how do you avoid constant babysitting?
Automated triage. Use a second prompt to generate short human-facing explanations like, we labeled this as taxi because the merchant matches a rideshare entry. Send that with a report issue button that sets human review flag. A Zap creates a Trello or Notion task for weekly batch review, low-touch, predictable ops.
Models drift. Confidence thresholds are helpful, but you still need resilient automations. What's your recommendation for long-term stability?
2 practical tactics: fallbacks and scheduled checks. If confidence is less than 0.7, route to human review and pause billing for that user's new uploads. Use retries with exponential backoff for transient API failures. And schedule a weekly 30-minute ops window when you're on reliable Wi-Fi to sample parses and rerun jobs if necessary.
Let's cut to monetization friction. $9 sounds optimistic for acquisition. How do you realistically get those first paying users without burning cash?
Good push. Don't rely on broad ads. Use targeted outreach. Find 3 niche communities where your persona hangs out, post a concise pitch, and offer early discounted trials in exchange for feedback and testimonials. Run a $50 micro-test ad to a hyper-targeted audience to validate conversion. Trade early discounts for social proof rather than spending heavily on acquisition.
What about pricing and retention? If users forget to upload receipts, churn kills the model.
Start with a frictionless 7-day trial at $0 to $7, then 2 tiers, $9 per month for low usage and $29 per month for power users. Promote the $29 as the anchor on your pricing page. For retention, weekly digest emails showing saved X minutes this week, optional calendar reminders, and a streak mechanic. Surface invoices and CSVs in-app so users regularly see value.
Fast risk checklist. Bullets now, please.
5 quick items. 1. Validate demand. Landing plus 10 pre-orders in 72 hours or pivot. 2. Minimize stored PII. Delete originals. 3. Human escalation and confidence thresholds. 4. Health checks plus retries for automations. 5. Price conservatively, monitor churn, iterate. Do these and you avoid overbuilding and brittle systems.
One immediate action for listeners? What's the fastest way to get moving in the next hour?
Do this in the next 60 minutes. Pick your micro problem, write 1-sentence positioning using the template, and build a 1-page landing with a clear paid CTA using card or Webflow. Add a Stripe checkout and share the link with 10 people who match your persona. If 3 sign up for a paid trial, you move to the weekend build. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
If someone wants guided help, we put together a micro SaaS launch kit with prompts, Airtable templates, Zap recipes, and an ethics checklist. Ready to clone.
Exactly. That course walks you through the weekend plan step by step and includes live troubleshooting. That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Quick final note. Start small, ship fast, and remember the human plus AI advantage. If something feels risky, pause and run the ethics checklist before you push live.
Perfect close. See you tomorrow with another AI blueprint. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.